Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. In today's video we are going to be unboxing okay. If today is your first time coming across my video, please do what, like, comment and subscribe. So I'm going to be unboxing this item I got from SHEIN. So I got this. Got this foundation, so I will show you guys how it looks. This is it guys. I actually got two types. Yeah. And this is the other one. Got this spray in my makeup. Yeah. So I got this here. Got this for my armpit. This set of my fingernails. I'm using my fingernails today, got this memory card. Guys, I have a lot of video on my phone, and my phone is overfull. I can't even record a video or vlog anymore because my phone is full. So I decided to get this memory card so I can delete some wanted videos on my phone. So I got this memory card here. I also got this perfume. So guys, this is what I got. It's very nice. got this. I don't know what this is. Mistakenly ordered two. So we are done unboxing. If you know you watched this video to the end, please do not forget to give this video a like and subscribe. Thank you. We are done for today. See you in my next video. Bye.